Welcome to the Sanders Kitchen. I'm Mike. Pam's behind the camera.
Hello.
Today's recipe is all about potato salad. But this ain't your mama's potato salad. Come on, let me show you what's in this great potato salad. We are going to be using 5 russet potatoes, 1 large sweet potato, some chopped olives, that's green with the pimentos. We have turmeric, pepper, some salt, that's that pink Himalayan salt. We're going to be using boiled eggs, finely minced carrot, celery, parsley, green onion that's been finely chopped. We have Dijon mustard, regular mustard. We have some vinegar with the mother, that's apple cider vinegar. And we have some mayonnaise. Now to get started, we're going to go ahead and peel and cut up our potatoes and give you a little idea on how big they have to be. So let's get started with this recipe. I'm going to peel this russet potato. We have 5, I've already done the other 4. And then we're going to cut them in about 1-inch chunks. We want to make sure that we cut all of the potatoes about the same size. Doesn't have to be perfect, but you want them to boil at the same rate of speed. That's the reason why we're doing it that way. All right, let's cut up this big sweet potato. It's pretty tough. So I'm going to cut it like that. Then, remember, about the same size chunks. Okay. We'll cut this up. And we'll take them to the pot and start boiling them. Even though the sweet potato is pretty tough, hard to cut through, believe it or not, they'll boil and get soft faster than the russet potato. So we're going to put the russet potatoes in the boiling water first. They will take 15 minutes. So when they are in the water boiling for 5 minutes, then I'll drop the sweet potato, and they all should be finished at the same time. Okay, all the potatoes are boiled, and now we're going to mince up the carrot so we can start putting all the ingredients together. So basically all I'm going to do is cut the carrot in half. There goes a piece flying off the side over there. I'm just going to cut it in little chunks like this. And then we're going to put this in the food processor. It's going to be cool. Okay, we're going to put all of the little carrot chunks in the food processor here. And it's going to make a little noise, but it's worth it. I'm just going to let it run until it gets minced. And that's it. I don't know if you can see that, but that is beautiful. And that's what we're looking for right there. Okay, let's start putting everything together. Okay, we're going to start off by adding our potatoes. Every last one. And the next thing, we're going to add in our apple cider vinegar. I'm going to make sure it's mixed because it's got the mother in it. We're going to go in with our mustard. All right. Now that was regular yellow mustard. This is the Dijon. All right. Got to lick your finger a little bit, you know. I'm going to go ahead and throw in the olives. And we'll put this over here for right now. And the next thing we'll do is get our little masher, and we're going to mash these babies up a little bit. Now, that's how I like it. I don't like real chunky potato salad. I like a light chunk. Okay. Okay, look at that. Now, can you see the texture of that? That is the way I like it to look. And now, it's just a matter of putting in the rest of the ingredients. So we're going to add in all the mayo. Use the mayo you like. Everybody has a different taste bud on mayo. Just use the one you like. Himalayan pink salt, pepper, turmeric. So we're going to add in the green onion, parsley, celery, minced carrot, let's fold this together. All right, while we're mixing, got to remember we have eggs. So we have a nice little egg slicer. So this is how this works. Take your boiled egg, you put that in your slicer, you pull it down, and you lift it out, and you turn it around, and then when you cut it that time, it cuts it all up into little pieces like that. And we're going to get all of these eggs done. What? Oh my God, there's a wild deer over there. What a lovely potato salad. I think you guys should try this. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to decorate it. Watch this. Oops, sorry. Take some paprika and just throw it right on the top like that. Just for a little color, you know. I mean, we have plenty color in this potato salad anyway, but it is so beautiful. Let's taste it, okay? Now this is a potato salad that you will want to serve your family. But it's not your mama's potato salad. Well, I hope you like my recipe for potato salad, but it's not your mama's potato salad. So if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. You want to know when we come out with new videos as soon as they happen. So thanks again for joining us in the Sanders Kitchen. It was great having you here today, and God bless you.